In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Calendar for VA, focusing on the tasks feature so you can manage your work more efficiently as a virtual assistant. Let's start by opening Google Calendar in your browser's address bar, type calendar.google.com and hit enter. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for your VA work. Once the calendar loads, you'll see your familiar monthly or weekly view with your events. What we'll focus on today is not regular events, but the built-in tasks tool, which is perfect for keeping track of client work, deadlines, and daily to-dos. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical panel with several icons. Look for the one labeled Tasks. It usually looks like a small blue circle with a check mark inside. Click on that, and a side panel will slide open. This is your Google Tasks panel where you can see, organize, and update your to-do items without leaving your calendar view. Near the top of this Tasks panel, you'll see a drop-down that typically says something like My Tasks. This is your default list, but as a VA, it's really helpful to separate tasks by client, project, or category. Go ahead and click on that My Tasks drop-down. A small menu will appear showing your current lists and an option to create a new one. From this menu, click on Create New List. This lets you build a dedicated space just for a specific area of your work. A small text box will appear asking you to name your new list. Type Project Management. This could be where you keep track of all project-related tasks, timelines, and follow-ups. Giving your list a clear name makes it easy to jump between different areas of your VA responsibilities. Once you've typed Project Management, click Done. You've now created a new task list, and your tasks panel should switch over to show this empty Project Management list. Think of this as your master checklist for all project-related actions. Now let's add your first task. In the Project Management list, look for the option that says Add a Task or a plus icon at the bottom. Click that. A line will appear where you can type the name of your task. For example, you might enter something like Review Client Project Brief or Update Project Timeline. Press Enter when you're done, and your task will be saved to the list. You can click on the task again to add more details like a description or a due date, which will also show up on your calendar. You can keep going and add more tasks the same way. This is especially useful if you want to break down a bigger assignment into smaller, manageable steps. For example, you might create separate tasks for planning, meeting preparation, follow-up emails, and reporting. The more specific your tasks are, the easier it is to stay on top of everything you need to do. As you complete each item, you can mark it as done. In the Tasks panel, simply click the small circle next to a task. It will get checked off and usually move into a completed section. This gives you a clear visual sense of progress and helps you quickly see what's still pending. You can always review completed tasks later if you need to confirm what's been finished. That's all you need to start using Google Calendar Tasks for project management as a VA. By creating a dedicated project management list, adding your tasks and marking them complete as you go, you'll keep your workload organized and your deadlines visible right inside your calendar.